This is the one.
Agreed, it needs some love. Character A smiles as he receives the money, while friend 1 and friend 2 are laughing.
All right, let's get this old beast off the truck.
Yeah, be careful. She looks like she's about to fall apart.
Look at all this dust. It's all over the place.
I know, it's like we're in a desert.
Yeah. How are we even going to get this thing running?
This old car needs a makeover.
Yeah, let's give it a fresh new look with this green spray paint.